Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this thing. The first thing we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 5x plus number 2. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 5 ds. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about the constant, because we don't have number 5, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. This one we change for u. ds we change for this one. So the integration of the u over u, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about 5x plus number 2. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3 plus number 4. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u. S where the s we change for this one. The integration of this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the next one. About this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 6x minus number 1. Because we have s, so I will put negative number 1 go to the left, and we divide both sides by number 6. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. Because we don't have number 6, so we need to divide both sides by number 6. So this one we change for u. S we change for this one. The s we change for this one. So number 6 and number 6 we have 36. So u divided by u, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, that is about u. This one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the next one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 6x² minus number 1. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one you got 2x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 12 because we don't have number 12 in here. So this one we change for u. The S we change for this one. So we have the final answer about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.